So, the strawberry. Whoa, no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's a bit windy today. Shoot! We gotta go inside. We gotta go inside. We gotta eat this inside. Look at this. Dust is going everywhere. Inside. What's up guys, my name is Lin Nyunt and welcome to part 2 of my Nara vlog. In this video we're trying some delicious food and heading towards Naramachi, the old merchant district. It's known for its boutique shops, cafes and museums. If you're new around here, why not consider subscribing? Every week I make videos about life, food and travel in Japan. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you're in first with my latest videos. So without further ado, let's go eat. Naramachi. They sell a local delicacy, Kaki no sushi, salted mackerel and salmon, and it's preserved in vinegar and wrapped in a persimmon leaf. Nara's quite far inland, so back in the day they needed a way to preserve the fish en route to Nara, and that's what they did with the vinegar and the salt. And they've maintained that style in this particular type of sushi. Melon pan played a big role in my last video. Now it's time to show you the taste test. So this is the plain melon pan. That's the maple filled one, caramel, and this is Earl Grey. The top, super crunchy cookie top. Bread, warm, fluffy, nice and sweet, buttery, totally delicious. Let's try the caramel flavor. Again, super crunchy top, sugary, very nice caramel flavor. Let's try the Earl Grey. That's so good. They've nailed that tea flavor. It's not such a common thing to have Earl Grey flavored sweets in Japan. There's a few places that do it. Matcha is definitely much more popular, but this Earl Grey, super good. Next is the royal maple. The way they've done the filling, not like an oozy maple dripping out of it. The maple is soaked into the bread, and that is so good. Rankings: best, Earl Grey. Second, probably the maple, and third is caramel. Plain, of course, you can't go wrong with either. Nakatani Doll is next to Kintetsu Nara train station and is very famous for their green mochi, or rice cakes.
Hey! 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 Hey!
The filling inside is beans, azuki bean. The green color comes from a leaf called yomogi in Japanese. Google Translate calls it mugwort. May or may not be the correct translation. If you do know, leave it in the comments. I'm quite digging these shotengai that they've got here in Nara and exploring through them. Shotengai is the Japanese word for like a shopping street that's undercover. Okay, this is a plastic food shop. So you know all this plastic food that you see in restaurant windows like this? Earrings and key rings, all kinds of cool little trinkets. Really don't come to Nara enough. Every weekend it's either in Osaka, Kobe or Kyoto. Nara's only an hour away. It's a little bit further than the usual places that we go to, but you know, it's something that we should probably check out more often.
Look at this shop. There's a butter potato, king size butter potato.
Butter potato. Deep fried.
Deep fried.
Okay, so you notice these seats are in front of the shop. Something that they do in Japan, you do not walk while eating. It's a real faux pas. So I'm gonna sit down. Oh my god, super hot. That's not just buttered potato, it's mixed with a fish cake as well, just by the way. It's not really focusing so well. But there's little pieces of potato inside, kind of like little French fries that are chucked in there. Yeah, not what I was expecting, but yeah, it's still okay. Not bad. We just saw this from down the street, Pamba Pipi. Looks like giant cotton candy, or fairy floss, what we call it in Australia. All these different flavors, different matcha types of flavors. Wow, really different types of matcha flavors. Matcha and red bean, matcha and soybean flour, and roasted green tea. They've got coffee, tea, organic pumpkin, that's crazy, and raspberry, pineapple, Japanese citron, sake leaf, rum, and plum wine. Ah, ume. Here's the store here. Look at the size of these. Look at that, that's my hand. Huge! Arigatou gozaimasu. Look at that. Look at how big that is. Oh, I can smell the white chocolate. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. Bigger than my head. My head is pretty big. We're gonna do something quite Japanese and we're gonna eat this with chopsticks. Let's try this. I'm sharing this with 2 other people, so this is not all for me. Oh wow, the strawberry. Whoa, no! Oh no! Oh no! It's a bit windy today. Shoot, we gotta go inside. We gotta go inside. We gotta eat this inside. Wow, the strawberry powder is delicious. And the white chocolate is so supple. I feel like I'm eating Santa Claus's beard. One little touch that they have in the store is these little cups that you can get of water because you're going to need it after all of that. Right, let's go on to our next stop. This is a korokke shop, really famous store here in Nara, so I'm gonna get one. Kare korokke. Korokke. Arigatou gozaimasu. And just by the shop because, again, don't walk and eat when you're in Japan. So this is the regular korokke. Mashed potato, minced beef and onions, deep fried with a panko batter on it. Quite tasty, bit oily, 100 yen. And now here's the curry, 120 yen. That's nice, look. They've mixed curry powder through the mashed potato. Really good. Between the two, yeah, curry korokke, better. After about a half dozen snack stops, we finally made it to Naramachi in hope of finding a nice cafe to eat lunch. So lots of stores just in amongst residential streets. Just about to go into the Naramachi house behind me, traditional Japanese house. These dolls are called Hina Ningyo and are displayed for Hina Matsuri, or Girls' Day, celebrated on March 3rd. They're extremely expensive, with a pair costing easily thousands of dollars. This house also featured a tea room which I forgot to film. It features a low hatch entryway, symbolizing humility, so that everyone who enters is all on the same level. So just heard that this place here is famous for something called chagayu. Chagayu there is rice porridge with tea mixed through it. We still haven't eaten lunch, we've just been grazing on snack food this entire time. Try and find either a kombini or a proper cafe to sit down and have a quick bite to eat. It's such a nice area around here, really chilled, filled with cafes and omiyage or souvenir and candy shops. This place is a footbath cafe. But no time, we've got to move on, find some real food. Okay, we may have found something. Now we play the waiting game. Alright, let's go. So there was no luck in Naramachi to find a cafe or a restaurant that wasn't already full. So we've headed back to the Shotengai to see if there's something that we can eat there. Nara's basketball team are called Bambitious. That's so cool. Okay, looks like we found some food, inarizushi. Different style. This has got some filling in it. So we're gonna try some of that. And then they also have some soba as well. This is the sesame style first. We're gonna give that a go. Sweet, juicy tofu. Very good. Now let's try this cream cheese with pickle style. The pickled cream cheese was very good as well. Next is tuna. Little flakes of tuna with sesame, and that works out really well. Yummy noodles. Dashi is really nicely balanced, not too strong. Little dumplings made from flour. What are they called again? Sorry. Food. Food? Food. 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 F-U. F-U. And that's it. My name is Lin Nyunt. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every week. And I'll catch you next time. See ya.
I feel sick.
Okay.
I feel like my food baby had some food babies. But I still want to eat.
We haven't even eaten proper lunch.
No.